What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. I'm pretty excited to be with all of you today. I got some boxes like Kies Motorsports sent over to me for this G82 right behind me, and the initiation of Project G82 officially starts today. Well, at the time that you're seeing this video. Anyways, I'm excited, guys, because I got some boxes. They're sitting right there. You can't see it, but I'm pretty excited for it. I keep saying I'm pretty excited. So what I want to start off with is a little preface. Kies Motorsports has been really good to me on all of my builds. I am attaching a few things in my description. If you're interested in things like the N20 motor, like a 320i, 328, or the B58 series, right? 440i's. Gosh, guys, the 340s, I have videos of things that go towards those two cars. I've built out both series pretty well. One unfortunately did blow up. They broke my M20. But anyways, let's not talk about that. What I want to talk about today is the initiation of Project G82, which I'm pretty excited for. So without further ado, let's open up the first box from Kies Motorsports. All right, so I'm reading the first box. I think I'm just gonna start off with this box only for today. I'm gonna show you guys what's in here, what the part is. I got my box cutter over here. But anyways, yeah, Kies Motorsports, thank you so much for sending this over. Brian and Gary, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, let's open the box. You know, whenever I get car parts, I feel like it's like Christmas, you know? Except, yeah. All right, let's see what we got. Oh my God. This is insane. You know what? I gotta show you guys. So guys, I am excited for this strut brace. I can't tell you enough. It looks so clean. I mean, gosh, the fact that Kies Motorsports manufactured this themselves, it's so phenomenal. I mean, the presentation just looks amazing. Guys, you killed it, honestly. Brian and Gary out there at Kies Motorsports, you guys killed it. So guys, yeah, this is applicable for the G8x line, so M3, M4 series for BMWs, obviously. This is the executive line, and it's amazing because it just looks so phenomenal, guys. And I'm looking for other things as well to basically take care of my engine bay. So like the engine cover, carbon fiber, intake, carbon fiber, and maybe the charge pipe, carbon fiber. I don't know, maybe that's possible, I don't know. I may even tune it. Right, I'm looking into BM3, right? Boot mode. So if you want me to tune it, comment below, boot mode, and if it gets enough likes, enough comments, I'm sorry, I may just pull the trigger. I don't know. Anyways, guys, again, I am so excited for this. It's gonna be so cool to have this installed. I'm sure it's gonna improve handling overall, but also the aesthetics. You know, I'm all about the aesthetics. So if I go to shows, the engine bay already looks pretty cool the way it is, but just imagine with a lot of carbon fiber parts and reinforcements on it. And I want to look good at shows. So there's more to come to this channel. Make sure you subscribe. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you support this channel, guys, I want to provide to you way more content. So stay tuned for more things to come out. I am active in the comments and I am engaging with all of you. So thank you so much for watching this video. There is a DIY install video coming very soon. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you very soon, family. Thank you.